3 seconds. Start. There may be one purpose, but there are several differences. This is how many would define the deeply divided political opposition as it stands today. Recriminations have been flying back and forth ever since the PPP parted ways with the PML noon shortly after the Senate elections in March. The opposition alliance PDM over differences on the member parties' strategy to weaken and bring down the PTI government. The divisions, however, seem to have even more. This can be seen in the escalating war of words between the top leadership of the PPP and PDM of late. In fact, the opposition party and alliance increasingly appear to be focused on holding each responsible for the PDM's unsuccessful anti-government campaign rather than stepping back to take stock of the situation and then combining efforts to achieve their common goals and hold the ruling party accountable for its sins of omission and commission. The growing in an already divided opposition does not well for Pakistan further democracy. Those who support the opposition expect it to act in a mature manner to protect their basic political and economic rights inside and outside Parliament. The recent difference between PPP chairperson Bilawal Bhutto Zardari and PDM President Maulana Fazlur Rahman regarding who is responsible for the partial breakup of the opposition alliance does not serve the interests of anyone, least of all the citizens. With Mr. Bhutto Zardari calling out the PDM leadership for refusing to support the proposal for a no-trust move against the PTI government in Islamabad and Punjab, the Maulana has accused the PPP of secretly supporting the government and damaging the opposition's common cause.